Okay, I want to start this next section with a quote from the best-selling author Stephen King. He says, "If you want to be a writer, you must do two things above all others: read a lot and write a lot." And for our context as bloggers, another way to put this is that if you want to write great articles, first, you must read great articles. And that's what this next tool is all about. It's called Pocket. And it's something that you can download on your desktop computer. You can actually also put it on an iPhone or an Android device. And we'll actually jump right into it. So if you pull up your web browser and just type in getpocket.com just like that, you'll probably see a page that looks something similar to this. And basically Pocket is a article archiving software. And as you read stuff online and read articles related to, whatever category you kind of write in, whatever category you fit in as a blogger, as you read those kind of articles, you can save them and go back and read them later, use them as inspiration for your own articles. Maybe you don't have time to read an article, but you think it would be useful to yourself later. You can save those and put those in Pocket. But it doesn't just stop there. It also recommends other articles based on the articles you're archiving. Okay, so to sign up, all you have to do is click sign up with Google or sign up with email. If you have a Gmail account, you can do sign up with Google. If you have another email address, sign up with email. I've actually already signed up with Gmail, so we'll jump right into it, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside Pocket. And this is the desktop view. It has a different view for iPhone or Android, but it has a few different features. So front page here is my list. So these are the articles that I've recently added to my list. Some I've already read and I want to to be able to go back to later for inspiration. Some of these are some that I've not had the time to read yet, but I'm going to read later. You can also favorite certain articles within this system. You can also save videos, and so maybe you have an article that contains a video, or you go to YouTube and read or watch something and it seems interesting and you want to watch it again later or share it again later, then you also put it in here. Also have images, so if you wanted to add images you find online, you put it in here. And then tags, and tags are great for categorizing these articles so you can go back to them later. So those are some of my tags there. And just to kind of show you how it works real quickly, Relevant Magazine's a online publication that I read pretty often. And say I read this article and thought, hey, this would be great as some inspiration for something I actually want to write from my own experience. I could grab this URL here, go back to here, and just paste it into there and save it. And it works the same way for your iPhone or Android. It has an app, you would do the same exact thing. You could copy and paste in there. And then also, if you use Google Chrome, there's a Pocket Chrome extension. And once you've logged into the Chrome extension, you can save a page just by hitting that button. So that's the Pocket app. Hope this is helpful. Hope it allows you to write better articles and become a better blogger. Hope you enjoy it.